Hello and welcome to the very first video of 2026. I'm so excited to be back. I'm Jackie. I'm a personal image consultant and fashion stylist. For the last couple of years, I've helped people understand their natural beauty, reconnect with their self-love, and create a personal image that makes them feel more confident in reaching their goals. And maybe you've noticed that I'm not in my usual setting, and this is because I'm in Mexico. I came for a long holiday and I actually wanted to take the time to enjoy being here with my family and my friends after almost 2 years away. I cannot believe it. But now I'm more than ready to start this new year with you, and that's why I want to talk about everyone's favorite New Year's ritual, the vision board. And I don't mean your regular vision board, I'm talking about personal image vision board. And if you're asking yourself, why is everyone so obsessed with vision boards anyway? I'm going to show you the truth about vision boards. As somebody who used to think that this was just a waste of time because there's no way a bunch of pictures can improve your life, let me tell you, they do. But not in a magical way. Vision boards are backed by neuroscience. Basically, when you look at your vision board every day, your brain starts to align with those goals and therefore becomes more willing to take new risks or seek the right opportunities that will take you where you want to be. And this can be more effective than write it down, a list of things that you need to do in order to achieve those goals because it helps you visualize the result, making it easier to get the work done. The key for them to work is that you don't create them about a distant future version of yourself that you hope to become one day, but as a way to visualize yourself being that person in the present. Now, if you're thinking, okay, but why would I need a vision board for style? Let me explain. The first reason is alignment. See, people tend to trust and be more open with individuals they consider peers. So, if you want to reach a certain goal, you need to align yourself with the right environment, the right people, and the right opportunities. I'll give you an example. I'm Mexican and I live in the Netherlands, and whenever I meet other Mexicans or even just Latinos, we immediately have something to talk about because we can easily relate to each other's experiences. We feel familiarity, we feel understood. The same thing happens with opportunities. Let's say your goal is to start financial consulting for big companies, right? And you need to look in a way that makes the leaders of these companies feel they can trust you with their money. And by this, I don't mean you have to imitate the way they dress. What you need is to project the qualities they value, like being reliable, knowledgeable, mature, or experienced. And this is funny because most people would say that you only need to wear blazers and button ups, but that's not entirely true. What looks mature and professional on someone can look stiff and pretentious on somebody else. You need to craft your unique take on these qualities based on your physical features, your values, your personality, everything that makes you unique. The second reason is mindset shift. The reality is that you cannot convince anyone to see you in a certain way or give you certain opportunities if you don't believe it yourself first. There are tons of people out there thinking things like,
I can't be a model because I'm not pretty. I can dress the way I'd like because I need to lose weight. I'll do it when I'm ready.
you are just playing small, putting yourself into tiny boxes that stop you from taking action towards your goals. If that's what you tell yourself every day, you won't get very far. But when you change your inner dialogue, you have much higher chance of succeeding. And this is also backed by science. When you dress in a way that aligns with your goals, it becomes easier for your mind to believe it. You suddenly feel the confidence to go out there and look for the right opportunities. So, this is why vision board for style can be so useful and so powerful because you'll be visualizing your current self and embodying the traits and the energy that you need to communicate to the world to get the kind of opportunities you're looking for the energy that you want to attract, the people that you want to surround yourself with. This will be your constant reminder of how you want to present yourself to the world. So, let's say you're constantly leaving the house in jeans and hoodies. Nothing wrong with that, but this year, you want to start creating content for single mothers struggling to raise their children alone because you are a psychologist. Then, you need to shift your image towards whatever they need to find in you, whether that's being nurturing, open, and soft, or maybe formal and serious, or even playful and joyful. That way, jeans and hoodies won't be your go to look anymore. Instead, you'll be choosing pieces that resonate with your goal, your message, and your audience. And your vision board will be there to remind you of the reason behind those choices. Okay, now that you understand the power of creating a vision board for your style, I'm going to teach you how to make it. Step number one, set your style goals. You already know what your general goals are: getting a promotion at work, starting your master's, starting a new business. But you also need to be clear about what you want to achieve with your image. The easiest way to do this is to think about what you want to communicate, what type of energy you wish to embody, and what message you want people to get when they see you. So, again, let's say you want to start a career as a DJ. Then your style goal might be to look more edgy and alternative, or maybe laid back, energetic, mysterious, whatever your DJ persona might be. If there are elements that you want to include into your wardrobe because they enhance your message, then you can put them here as well. For example, this year I want to incorporate more prints into my closet because I rarely wear them and they go really well with my features and they will help me amplify the message that I am creating. In other words, whenever you want to add something to the list, think about its purpose and what that element is going to add to your goals. Step number two, look for references. Now that you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, you can start looking for references, meaning your sources of inspiration. They can be celebrities, yes, which is the most obvious reference, but for example, instead of using all of them as your inspiration, you can choose very specific looks or eras that resonate with you the most. Also, don't choose only one celebrity because in the end, you'd be just copying them and you could end up looking like a cosplay. Ideally, you want to have between 3 and 4 references that you can merge into your own concept. And besides celebrity, you can draw inspiration from movies or TV characters, even cartoons, fashion history periods. I personally love the 80s, or even more abstract sources like music, poetry, novels, or video games. Whatever best represents who you are. And step number three, putting your vision board together. You have all your images now, so it's time to create your board. Here you can see mine, so I'll give you an example of what I did, but you can do this digitally on Canva or Notion and set it as your phone or desktop wallpaper, or you can print everything and make an analog board to hang in your room. You can even place it in your journal so you can revisit it every time you write. There's no limit. The important thing here is that you can clearly see the intention behind every image. That's why you chose those references. So you are not just placing random images, but ones with real meaning for you. And that you can see it every day, of course. And that's it for today. I hope this video inspires you to transform yourself this year and achieve all your goals. I know you already have everything it takes to live the life of your dreams, and this is the next step you can take to get there. If you want me to make more videos about how to dive deeper into your style, let me know in the comments. You can also send me pictures of your vision board on social media. Tag me, I'd love to see your creations. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, share it, and subscribe so we can reach more people who are looking to build their authentic style. If you're new here, welcome to this space I created for you to learn about personal image and style, but from a self-love perspective. I don't share your average fashion tips about how to combine blue and red, how to create the illusion of a small waist, or how to follow trends and aesthetics, because that's only surface level. I offer you all my knowledge so you can create a personal image based on who you truly are, showing the world the real you while loving, accepting, and highlighting your natural beauty. Remember, you can also join my Substack community through the link below, where I share more in depth insights on the topics I talk about here on YouTube. It's free for now, so hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like me to help you discover your personal style and create a personalized style book with recommendations tailored to you, you can book a free call with me where I'll help you find the best styling approach for you and your goals. This book includes all my advice on how to dress for your body type, how to highlight your beauty, which fabrics, patterns, colors, accessories, silhouettes, and hairstyles are most flattering for you, what items are not your best match so you can avoid them, how to dress according to your goals, and so much more. This advice remains relevant even if you change jobs, you lose weight, or move to another city because it's based on you. So if you want to book your free call so I can get to know you better and talk about what we need to create your own style book, the link is also in the description. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.